ina. Nakapag-Dota na kasi ako eh. Gago ka! What the? Anong bracket to? Ba't nandito yung Falcons? Gago, ang ganda ng bracket ko. Legit, ano to? Falcons. Ayoko sa maasin. Offlane. ES. Nahilo ako pas Denker eh kanina. Nahilo ako sa ano, GS. Tagal kasi ng game 1 namin. Legit. Oh fuck. Tang ina mo lang iya.
Let's shake things up.
Shibal. Don't hook me!
Face and tremble.
Veno here.
Dire's turret has been killed. Dire's turret.
Let the earth quake.
Hula lang to. Hinulaan. Atay. Sabi ka nagko-convert yun eh. Putang ina, hula-hula lang eh.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Malrin God, tol. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Tangina mo ka. Tangina! Gago, nakakaya kay Skitter! Hindi ko na picture block! Tangina mo! Nakakaya kay Skitter, talagang patawad ka. Tangina, nakakahiya! 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 Relax, wait, may echo. Oh, palo ka. Nice. Palo ka masyado ah. Palo ka masyado, Malrini ah. Pag-arap mo na nangyari.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Sinap din. Good. Help me. Mal. Tangina kasi nang slow ako. Triple kill ako. Triple kill! Mana ko sa Hail Mary, may kasama siya.
Ready.
Ba't nandito ako?
Timimik.
Gago, baited sila tol. Baited sila. Baited. Ba't nakulat ako? Ba't nandun ako sa harapan tol? Gago. Patawad ah. Oh. Space, Roshan. Wala pa palang Roshan.
The enemy's top tower has fallen.
It's not ready.
Hey Skeeter, your dick is very big or no?
Of course.
The enemy's middle
Can I
tower
see?
has
Can I
fallen.
see?
Yeah, come to check the.
The enemy's middle barracks.
I'll come. Come to check the
I hope you're ready though. It's very big.
Enemy's middle
It's ready big. What the fuck? I'm ready on you.
Just not sure if you're ready. I feel like you're lying.
No, I'm coming. Wait me there in Chengdu, okay?
enemy's middle tower has
But
fallen.
if you're gonna be in pain next day,
What?
if you will be in pain next day, not my
Radiant
problem.
structures are fortified.
Ano daw? Hindi ko maintindihan.
The enemy's middle tower
I'll come
has
to
fallen.
Chengdu just for your dick, bro. Pakion. In pain. In pain pala. Di ako masasaktan, gago. Tangina mo, Skeeter, bitch. That pala sinabi ko, no? Sinabi ko, is it real that you have... Tangina, basta. Ang hirap po siya mag-English, guys. Is it real that you hang out with Eva LP? Yan, yun pala dapat, yun pala. Is it real that you hang out with Eva LP? Okay. Next time. Pag nakalaro ulit natin. Hindi ko naintindihan kasi nasira tuloy yung momentum.